Hey, this is Chris Cavanaugh with Watermark Real Estate Group. I'm in Plantation Lakes today in Carolina Forest. Just wanted to invite you to an open house that my broker Rada Herring and I are going to be having this Saturday, June 16th from 12 to 3. Like I said, it's in Plantation Lakes, 8089 Wacobee Drive. This home features 4 bedrooms, 4.5 baths. It's an all brick home with a private boat dock, just a few minutes to the beach. Side load garage. It's just fantastic. It's really luxury living at its finest. It's a custom built home, and it's going to sell fairly quickly. So I hope you can make it out and see us at the open house again. It's this Saturday, June 16th from 12 to 3. Now, if this house doesn't work out for you and you wanted to build something new, we're also going to be having an open lot viewing as well, and that's just down the road. And now I'm standing in front of the empty lot right now that's ready to be built upon. It's 8106 Wacobee Drive, and we're also going to be showing this on Saturday as well. Again, that's Saturday, June 16th from 12 to 3. Come on by if you're thinking about building a home. This is a perfect lot to do so. Right on the water. You can have your own boat out here as well, just like the other property too. Again, this is Chris with Watermark Real Estate Group, and I look forward to seeing you on Saturday, June 16th from 12 to 3. Bye-bye.